So for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6 plus 4. So I'll start by chaining 28. So now that we've chained 28, on chains 4, 5 and 6 from a hook we'll make 3 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 3 double crochet clusters in these 3 chains. Now I'll chain 7. Now through his next 6 chains I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, and this is row 1, 4, 5 and 6. Again I'll chain 7, then through the next 6 chains I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again I will chain 7, then again through his next 6 chains I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again I will chain 7. Now through his last 4 chains I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around and then I will chain 3. Now right here through a 7 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Through the next 7 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. Through the next 7 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. Through his last 7 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. Now right here through his last 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 3. Now through his first 3 double crochet chains I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 7. Now we need to make 6 double crochet clusters, so we'll make these 6 double crochet clusters through the 6 next chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, I'll chain 7. Then through his next 6 chains, I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. Again, I'll chain 7. Now through the next 6 chains, I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. Again, now I'll chain 7. Then through his next 3 double crochet chains and this last 3 chain, I'll make 4 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this completes row 3. Now for the pattern, we need to repeat rows 2 and 3. So for row 4, I'll repeat row 2. So I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 3. Now right here through this first 7 chain loop, I'll make 6 double crochet. So for row 4, we are repeating row 2. Through the next 7 chain loop, I'll make 6 double crochet. Through the next 7 chain loop, I'll make 6 double crochet. Through his last 7 chain loop, I'll make 6 double crochet. Now through his last 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5, we'll turn our work around and then we repeat row 3. So I will chain 3, then through his first 3 chains, I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 7. Then through his next 6 chains, I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. Chain 7. Through his next 6 chains, I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. Chain 7. Through the next 6 chains, I'll make 6 double crochet cluster. chain 7, then through his last 3 chains and his last 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. So this completes row 5. So for the pattern we repeat rows 2 and 3. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.